He doesn't think he can get it here. He definitely thinks he can get it here. Maybe here. All right?
Yeah.
That's the range. You guys ready? You guys gonna vote for him? All right, I want you guys to cheer when he gets past here, if he gets past here, and if he gets past here, all right? Here we go. All right, just grab that button. Here we go. Whoa! All right, whoa! You're really strong, nice. Give him a round of applause. That's really impressive, that's really impressive. That was just his own strength. All right. Now we're gonna make you even stronger, all right? So, keep your hand up here.
Let's become Iron Man.
Become Iron Man. Okay, here we go, here we go. So I want you guys to channel your strength into him, all right? Channel it, watch it. All right, you're so strong. Don't think about lifting the weight, just think about moving your hand nice and slow, all right?
Okay.
Light grip is all you need, pull the trigger.
Wow.
Is that any easier?
That's like magic.
Are you Iron Man?
Yeah, of course I think.
Of course he's Iron Man. We found him, we found Iron Man. Excellent, excellent.
Wow.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you something. You're not doing any real lifting here. I want you to hold it with just your finger and your thumb. Yep, and lift it up.
That's really...
Can you believe that you're doing that? Do you feel like you're in control? Is it natural motion?
Yeah, it's like a natural film. It's a really in the... Wow.
That's right, nice work. That's what the Sarcos Guardian Exoskeleton is all about. It's that kind of empowerment across the entire human body, and we're really excited to be working with Delta to empower their employees.